Another advantage of Access is you can easily change anything you want. I'll just show you an example. Let's go to our block input, okay, and what I'll do is I'll just save it as. Now this is the advantage over buying some kind of software that you can't make any changes to. For example, here's a sample of a look and feel. Here's your favorites. This is what primarily interested you, is this favorites section. Let's go to master contracts. Okay, I added some dorky pictures as a background, and you can change all the coloring yourself if you want your own picture. I'll show you a brief example of this. I'll just show you. This is a master contract. If you can change the choose different contracts that we've worked on last year. I'll take a small one here, Ryan Hauser. There's 2 blocks. Automatically calculates the total delivered, total planted is down here, overcount is 0, prescribed, total overplant. I'll show you this in detail later. I'm just trying to show you how things are set up in everything in one form. Of course, the background pictures could be a little confusing, so I could easily change that, or you can easily change that to something else. Here's master contract input. Go here to this is the data sheet view. Go to form view. See some more dorky pictures. If this is confusing, it's easily changed. You can move these around, and I'll show you that right now. So let's take, just for an example, our form. You wouldn't need, the website would explain all this in detail. I can help you with all this. So let's say block input. I'll open that in design view. Here it is in form view. Go back to design view, and now I can make changes to it. I won't affect my whole database. I can make this area, change the size. I can move this over here. I can move this over there. I can make this big, and basically like moving around pictures manipulating pictures in a Word file. Here I can change this to yellow if I want. Let's change this to green. Make the size 20. Change the font to something else. Okay. You save that. Oh, and then we can go right-click, properties. Now you can change the properties of individual things. Let's say the whole form. I click down here. I can see I've clicked the form. Or here the detail. This is the detail section. Or there's other things like if I click on let's say block name. There's data. You don't want to touch any of these, event or other. You just stay in the format tab, okay, and you can make all the changes you want, and you won't affect the database. You won't hurt it in any way. For example, I'll click on details, back color. I'll click on here, define custom color. Let's say I want to make it this kind of a goofy green. Okay, and I press enter, and you see that it's changed the background. Now I can save it, and I go to form view, and now the form would look this way. So I'm just trying to show you an example. If you want to change your background, I'll help you with this. And the advantage also of Access is that you can make changes, and you can customize it for your own preference, for your own tastes.